My name is Andrej, Čapka. I'm the owner of the Zmajska Pivovara, Dragon's Brewery. We are open for 9 months now, almost 10. The inspiration for the brewery, well, it boiled for a long time. I started as home brewer here in Croatia because not many ale beers, well, almost none at all, were available. One thing led to another, and finally there was enough people that wanted good beer to push me and for me to make the decision to open the brewery. The rewarding stuff in this business is, of course, when you see people order your beer. Just yesterday I found one of our bottles on a trash can in the center. That sort of makes me happy, you know. It means people buy the beer, drag it around, drink it. For new aspiring entrepreneurs, I would suggest just work, work and work. That's what I had to do, and that makes your business run. It's depending on business. Our business is long term, so be persistent and the results will pay off. Basically, I do see myself in this brewery in next decade, 2 or 3. So I'd like this business to grow. And I think we'll be here. We'll be organically expanding depending on the market. I have no aspiration to be mega big brewery. I just want to make fun and good beer and have fun doing it. Most of the time I'm not a businessman, I'm a brewer, so I'm here for the beer.